Ladies and gentlemen, we are in the title race. Kaizer Chiefs are officially in the title race. Let's stop running away from it. Yeah, I've been trying to not entertain this. I've been trying to run away from it. Yeah, I've been trying to run away from it, but it's match week 15. We are 2 points off Mamelodi Sundowns. Level on games. We are 1 point ahead of Orlando Pirates, who have 2 games in hand. If they win those games, they will be 4 points ahead of us. We are still going to play them twice. So we are in the title race. 15 games played. We are 2 points behind Mamelodi Sundowns. When last did that happen? When last did that happen? We are in the title race, mate. Let's stop running away from it. We are Kaizer Chiefs. Let's acknowledge that we are in the title race, mate. Kaizer Chiefs 1, Marumo Gallants 0. Let's start with the starting 11. Yeah, 5 changes. Look, I don't think we are that team as of now. I don't think we should be rotating so many players, and I don't have a problem with rotating players if we are going to rotate in the right positions. Like for instance, if we are going to drop Tlhodi Lepo and start Asanele Velebai, if you are going to drop Pule Modi and start Asanele Velebai, if you are going to drop Kanyisa Mayo started as the 10 last game, Tutu Shabalala went back there, I don't have a problem with that. But my concern here was we played Lewang Mabu ahead of Spesihle Ndlovu. Yeah, Mabu who recently returned from an injury. He's been getting hooked every game in the 60th minute because his fitness level is not up there as of now. Yeah, so I don't know why we started him ahead of Spesihle Ndlovu, more especially in that 6, because Spesihle Ndlovu is the best 6 we have right now. Mabu is not a 6. Yeah, that first half was stinking. We were stinking out the place. Marumo Gallants were the better team. We had no shot on target in that first half. Second half, changes came in. Tlhodi Lepo with a goal. Lucky goal, yeah, it's a lucky goal, but we'll take it. They all count. He was going for a cross there all day, but we take the goal. But what the biggest takeaway from the game is that we are in this title race, mate. We are on the title race. Maybe we can look at our performance and say it wasn't great. But if you are in the title race, sometimes you just have to scrap the wins. More especially away from home in Bloemfontein. It's a very, very difficult place to go to. Yeah, but we managed to get a win. Big 3 points. Let's keep the momentum going. Now, let's head to the CAF Confederations Cup. We will be taking on Zesco. Man, I need those men in a spliff. Yeah, I need them in a t-shirt. They're a dead team. We are supposed to go out there and win that game. Match preview will be dropping on Friday. We are in the title race. Like, comment, subscribe. I'm out.